If you live in New Jersey and you're thinking about protecting your retirement savings with physical gold, this video will walk you step by step through how to buy a gold IRA in New Jersey and what retirees here need to understand before making a move. This is especially relevant if you're retiring in North Jersey after a career in pharmaceuticals, finance, or corporate sectors, living in Central Jersey or Princeton with a background in state government or education, or coming out of healthcare and small business operations in South Jersey and Cherry Hill. New Jersey retirees operate in a unique financial environment, shaped by extraordinarily high property taxes, an above-average cost of living, and a complex mix of state and municipal rules. A gold IRA is one strategy some New Jersey retirees use as part of a broader plan to protect purchasing power and diversify beyond traditional market-based assets. Before we go any further, I need to make a clear disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered tax, legal, or financial advice. Every retirement situation is unique. Tax laws change, estate planning rules evolve, and your income sources may differ significantly from someone else in your county. Always consult a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or retirement specialist before moving money from any retirement account. As I was researching this topic, I leaned heavily on educational materials from firms that specialize specifically in gold IRAs, including Augusta Precious Metals. They focus a lot on investor education rather than hype, which is helpful when you're dealing with something as serious as retirement planning. I'll leave a link to their free educational guide in the description below if you want more details. One of the biggest reasons gold is being considered in New Jersey is what I'll call the property tax crisis. As of 2026, New Jersey officially has the highest effective property tax rate in the country, averaging around 2.23% statewide. Even a modest home valued at $450,000 to $500,000 can generate annual property tax bills exceeding $10,000 to $11,150. For retirees who have fully paid off their homes, that's effectively $900 or more per month just to maintain ownership. That recurring cost doesn't go away, and it often increases over time. For retirees on fixed incomes, this creates a very real financial squeeze. Even small annual increases in property tax bills can eat into discretionary spending on healthcare, travel, or day-to-day living expenses. Gold is often used in this context as a way to preserve the underlying value of savings, ensuring that retirement assets can keep pace with property tax obligations and other rising costs without jeopardizing financial stability. At the same time, New Jersey's cost of living is exceptionally high. Residents spend far above the national average on housing, utilities, energy, groceries, and healthcare. For retirees, spikes in global commodity prices or local energy costs, such as heating oil during winter, can severely impact a fixed budget. Retirees living in North Jersey or along the I-95 corridor often face commuting costs or city-adjacent expenses that are far higher than in other parts of the state. Even in South Jersey, costs for medical services, insurance, and essentials are significant. Gold is often viewed as a defensive asset, a tangible store of value that helps hedge against both inflation and unexpected financial pressures, while allowing retirees to maintain purchasing power year after year. There's also a deeper cultural factor at play. New Jersey retirees tend to have spent decades building wealth through disciplined work, corporate savings, and strategic investments. Many have accumulated high-balance 401ks or pensions and understand market cycles and risk. As retirement approaches, there is often a shift from seeking growth to prioritizing capital preservation. Physical gold aligns perfectly with this mindset. It's a tangible, verifiable asset that can be held outside traditional markets, providing peace of mind during periods of volatility. For example, a retiree who saw the 2008 market crash firsthand may be more inclined to allocate a portion of retirement savings into something real, something that can't vanish overnight with a stock market dip. Another factor that comes into play is the regulatory environment. In 2026, New Jersey expanded its Retire Ready NJ program, lowering the mandatory enrollment threshold for businesses to 10 employees. This change affects many small business owners and independent professionals, prompting them to take control of retirement planning through self-directed IRAs and SEP IRAs. These accounts can be funded with physical gold, allowing these retirees to maintain autonomy while protecting their wealth from market fluctuations or state-mandated plan limitations. For those managing multiple practices, small companies, or family businesses, gold offers an additional layer of security in uncertain financial times. It's important to clarify something foundational. A gold IRA is not a New Jersey-specific account. It is a federal retirement account, governed by IRS rules, under Internal Revenue Code Section 408M. This section defines which precious metals qualify, the required purity standards, and how the metals must be stored. These rules apply uniformly across all 50 states. A gold IRA operates within the same tax-deferred framework as a traditional IRA, except instead of holding stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, it holds IRS-approved physical precious metals. Following these federal rules is essential to maintain the account's tax advantage status. Deviating from these requirements can result in penalties, taxes, or disqualification of the IRA. Let's talk about where most New Jersey Gold IRA funding actually comes from. One major source is corporate and pharmaceutical executives in North and Central Jersey. Professionals retiring from companies like Johnson & Johnson, Merck, Prudential, and financial institutions serving NYC commuters often have high-balance 401ks. These individuals are financially sophisticated, understand market volatility, and value diversifying a portion of their assets into tangible, non-correlated investments like gold. Many of these retirees are looking not just for preservation, but for a reliable long-term hedge against inflation, dollar depreciation, and market swings. Another major group includes public employees and teachers in the Teachers' Pension and Annuity Fund and the Public Employees Retirement System. Many rely on state pensions for baseline income, but also hold supplemental 403(b) or 457 plans. Rolling these into a gold IRA provides financial independence outside state-managed systems and adds stable, tangible assets in retirement. For those who have seen pension rules change over decades, physical gold can ease concerns about policy shifts or economic uncertainty. Small business owners and independent contractors are also turning to gold, especially with the 2026 Retire Ready NJ expansion. Funding self-directed SEP IRAs with precious metals allows them to retain control over retirement strategy while protecting wealth and inflation-resistant assets, ideal for professionals in healthcare, dental, or trade businesses who value disciplined financial management. Here's how buying a gold IRA works, step by step. The first step is opening a self-directed IRA with an IRS-approved non-bank custodian. These custodians specialize in alternative assets and ensure your account follows IRS regulations. The second step is funding your account, usually through a direct rollover or transfer from an existing 401k, 403(b), 457 plan, or TSP. It's important to emphasize a direct, trustee-to-trustee rollover to avoid the mandatory 20% IRS withholding tax and to keep the process smooth with any relevant tax authorities. The third step is selecting IRS-approved investment-grade metals. Gold must meet a minimum purity of 0.995, and silver must meet a minimum purity of 0.999. The final step is storage. The gold is owned by your IRA, not by you personally, and it must be stored in an IRS-approved third-party depository under the custody of your account. This ensures compliance with federal regulations, protects your investment from personal liability, and guarantees that your metals are properly secured. Now let's talk about the Golden State winds. First, the state eliminated its 6.65% sales tax on precious metals purchased over $1,000. Since most gold IRA purchases exceed this amount, every ounce of gold you buy for retirement is completely tax-free at the state level, stretching your investment further than in other states. So, who is this strategy really for? In New Jersey, it often fits the corporate or farmer executive looking to diversify corporate savings into tangible assets. It fits public employees and teachers seeking additional security beyond state-managed pensions. And it fits small business owners or self-employed professionals who want autonomy and control in the wake of new state retirement mandates. The common mindset is one of strategic preservation, using physical gold to hedge against federal inflation while leveraging New Jersey's tax-free retirement benefits, all while addressing the high cost of local property taxes. For many, it's about combining security, independence, and financial foresight in one tangible, IRS-approved investment vehicle. A gold IRA is not a replacement for pensions, Social Security, or a diversified retirement plan. It is one component of a broader wealth preservation strategy. But in a state like New Jersey, where property taxes are crushing, the cost of living is high, and regulatory changes are ongoing, understanding how to properly structure and buy a gold IRA can play a meaningful role in protecting wealth, ensuring long-term purchasing power, and maintaining peace of mind. With careful planning, a gold IRA can serve as a cornerstone of retirement security, helping retirees navigate both state-level financial pressures and broader market uncertainty. If you want to learn more, Augusta Precious Metals offers a free educational guide that explains how gold IRAs work, the potential risks and fees involved, and whether this strategy makes sense for your situation. The guide walks through the rollover process, storage requirements, and common mistakes to avoid, helping you decide whether this strategy fits into your broader retirement plan. There's no obligation, it's purely informational. You can click the link in the description box below this video to grab the free guide and learn more about protecting your retirement with physical gold.